Hi everyone, and you're watching Captured by Cage. Welcome back to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? So I know I look a bit tired, but it's been a stressful 2 months, okay? Just allow me, and I'm not wearing any concealer, so this is just how I look. You know, just wearing lipstick and that's it. So let's not focus on that. Let's focus on the video at hand. Today is Tuesday, which means we're talking about photography, as you can see by the title. I'm just gonna give you a quick video and a quick guide on the essentials of what to wear as a wedding photographer or an event photographer, or if you're an assistant to any of those. Okay, sorry for the noise in the background, someone's doing some gardening, but I think every woman should own a pretty black dress. This is my black dress and it is from Zara. I absolutely love the look of it because it's fitted for all, any body type, any body shape, the way they've designed it. Not only that, it's just so comfortable and I feel really nice and feminine. So this is great if you are quite feminine and you love legs, or you have nice long legs, because you can also wear tights with it, obviously. And it's not heavy at all, it's very nice quality. And I just absolutely love it. Also, as you can see, that white bow, you can do whatever you want with it, like make it into a bow, you can just like have it over your neck, fling it over your neck, as you're gonna see, because I'm gonna do that. But I just love this dress, and I think every woman should own a pretty little black dress in their closet, and it's perfect for weddings or events because you look professional and you just look really nice and cute. I really love it. Go me, go me. Okay, so this jumpsuit is also by Zara, and I love a good jumpsuit because it's so comfortable, it's presentable, and it's very lightweight. I love this so much because I can move about on it, I can jump up and down, as you can see I'm doing, I can do squats, and I think it's just perfect. It's very subtle and it's reversible. So if you're top heavy and you want to show a bit of cleavage, or if you don't, you can literally reverse it. And I also love this color because I think this color complements any skin tone, no matter if you're dark brown, light brown, you're pale white, olive skin, anything. It literally suits any skin tone. So I would definitely suggest a jumpsuit. I think a jumpsuit is very professional. I think the only annoying thing about a jumpsuit is when you need to go toilet. It's like, oh my god, you got to quickly get out of it and make sure you don't wee yourself. But I think a jumpsuit is perfect, especially if you don't like to show your legs much, and it's perfect for summer and even winter as well, because you can layer up underneath it. And obviously this is a jumpsuit that's showing my arms, but you can also get a jumpsuit that covers you all the way until your wrists. So I think a jumpsuit is a really good fit for anybody, like, trust me, especially if you're not quite feminine and you prefer to be in trousers or covered up. A jumpsuit is definitely a great option. So obviously with this one I'm wearing this blouse, and I feel like as a wedding photographer, or if you're an event photographer, or even if you're assisting a wedding photographer, just to have a nice blouse. Every woman should own a nice blouse, a nice shirt that they feel comfortable in, they can move in, and it's pretty simple. You know, you look nice and you're wearing trousers, so I don't think you can really go wrong with a shirt. But I would say stick to dark colors. Do not wear white, because if you get anything on there, then it's just gonna show and it's just gonna look dirty. So a nice blouse. Okay, so the next one, I got really excited for this, and I'll probably let you guys listen. There you go. This is my favourite ones because I'm absolutely comfortable in it. It shows I'm in business, I'm professional, I'm not there to party with the guests, I'm there to do a job. And what I love about this is that branding helps. This is the best way to promote your own company. Now this is NK, and she is the wedding photographer that I assist, but I'm also working on my own, designing my own clothes and having my logo on my own clothes, but obviously it's quarantine time. But I absolutely love this, and it's very professional. Chukuk, chukuk. Yeah, really good. Hi, nice to meet you. I'm the photographer. Don't get it twisted. I'm not there for you to chirps. I'm there to get a job done, and this is my favourite attire. So maybe it's something you should think of. Own branding. I hope you enjoyed my videos on the essentials of what you should kind of own or wear as a wedding photographer or an event photographer, or even if you're assisting. Like I said, I think everyone should own a black dress, especially if you're into dresses, especially if you're feminine, especially if you still want to feel like sexy and confident but you're at work. And like I said, a jumpsuit is definitely essential because you can just move about in it. You've got so much stuff to do, and it's like it's not a cocktail dress, but oh, I love a good jumpsuit and nice heels. But obviously footwear, it is really best to wear flat shoes, and make sure you have insoles, or just wear trainers, because ultimately we are behind the lens and we're there to capture events and capture the memories. And you know, we're not trying to stand out too much by wearing amazing big bold colors, but we're also not trying to like blend in with the wall so much that no one even notices that we are there. At the end of the day, it's totally your choice. My advice would be to just dress comfortably and make sure you feel good within yourself. And if you have struggles with being confident, I also have another video on how to be confident in photography. Please check out my other videos. Thank you so much. You're watching Captured by Cage. I hope you enjoyed Tuesday's video, and I will see you guys on Friday for whatever. Bye everyone.